Hi friends, welcome to Anusal. So today it is the 43rd episode in the geography series. So today we are going to discuss about the 26th largest country in the world, that is Ethiopia in Africa. So Ethiopia is a landlocked country in the Horn of Africa, which is the region in Africa which goes like a horn near the Arabian Peninsula. Yes. So, but between the Arabian Peninsula and the Horn of Africa, there is the Red Sea. Yes. So next, it shares borders with some countries. So first, let's just draw Ethiopia. So Ethiopia looks like this, somewhat like that, like a hanger. Yes. So next one, the borders. So first, the borders Eritrea to the north. So do you know one fact? Eritrea was once a part of Ethiopia, yes. So next it has Djibouti to the northeast, yes. So next Somalia to the east and northeast again. It just goes like this. So Somalia is kind of famous because of pirates. Next there is Kenya to the south. Next South Sudan to the west. Yes, South Sudan, the newest country in the whole world. And finally Sudan to the northwest. Okay, so its area is 1,100,000 square kilometers or 1.1 million square kilometers, which makes it the 26th largest country in the whole world. Yes, so the population is 113.5 million people, which makes it the 12th most populous country in the world, as well as the second most populous country in Africa after Nigeria. Nigeria is in first place in Africa. So the capital and largest city is Addis Ababa. Yes. So Addis Ababa is a major city in all of Africa, not just Ethiopia. Yes. So it is even the capital of the the African Union. Not just like a capital but a headquarters. Yes, headquarters. So okay. Next official languages are there are. These official languages are all native languages, not any other like French, not those languages. So these languages include Afar, Amharic, Oromo, Somali, and Somali is again from Somalia, yes, and Tigrinya, yes. So it sounds a whole lot like tiger, yes. So next, okay, the regional languages are Harari and Sidama. And also, like in Africa, there are many different types of tribes, right? Like that, there will be thousands of more different languages in Ethiopia and as well as other African countries. Yes. So next, ethnic groups. So 34.5% are Oromo. Yes. Next, 26.9% are Amhara. Yes. Next, 6.2% Somali, from the bordering country of Somalia. Yes, so and again in Ethiopia itself a large province is called as Somalia. Yes, so next is 6.1% is Tigrayan. Next 4% is Sidama and 2.5% is Guraj. Yes, and again there are many other ethnicities. Yes, because Africa is very diverse and even Ethiopia is also too in Africa. So next, the religion. So this in 67.3% are Christianity. Again, if we go into this Christianity, there are some other types. But here it is different than other African countries because it was so Christianity reached here before colonialism itself. So Ethiopia was one of the first countries to ever adopt Christianity, yes. So that's why when the colonists came from Italy, when they said, you take this cross and Christianity, and they said, we already follow this Christianity thing. Yes, I think it happened like that. So that's why there are other different types of Christianity, not just Catholicism, not those stuff. So here 43.8% is Ethiopian Orthodoxy, yes. Orthodox Christianity, but it is in Ethiopia. You can understand by its name. Yes. Next is 22.8% on Pente. Yes. I don't know how to pronounce that exactly. So next 0.7% are again other different types of Christianity. Yes. So next 31.3% of the population is again Islamic. Yes, most countries in this relative area are mostly Islamic, as well as in the Sahara area. Yes. So next 0.6% are traditional faiths, like the original faiths which were there before Christianity and those stuff. And 0.8% have no religion or any other religion. Yes. So next, the currency is called as the birr, BIRR. Yes, it's a very weird name. Not exactly weird, but a bit different than every other currency names. Yes. So next, anatomically, modern humans emerged from the region which is modern day Ethiopia. Yes. So scientists think modern humans came from this relative area inside Ethiopia. Yes. So Ethiopia is special in that thing at least. Yes. So the southwestern Ethiopia has been proposed as a possible homeland of the Afro-Asiatic language family. So this Afro-Asiatic language family includes the large Arabic language as well as some African language as well. Yes. So many languages are there in this Afro-Asiatic language family, and again scientists think this could be the homeland of those Afro-Asiatic languages. Yes, and also many languages here are also Afro-Asiatic. Yes. So next, within Ethiopia, there's a vast highland complex of mountains and dissected plateaus divided by the Great Rift Valley. So here somewhere in this region, there's the Great Rift Valley, a place where scientists think is going to become a separate continent. So presently there's a minor continent there called as the Somali Plate. Not continent but minor plate. Yes, it is presently there inside the African plate. And if you don't know, in plates there are three types tectonic plates. There are major plates, the normal plates like the Euro-Asian plate and those stuff. Next, the minor plates like the Indian plate and the Somali plate, and micro plates which are like the Victorian plate, and they are very small. Yes, some of them are smaller than some countries. Yes. So yeah. Okay. Next, and also the Great Rift Valley is the division between the Somali plate and the African mainland plate. Yes, so here it goes like that. So yeah, and also earthquakes are common there. Yes, so it is an ecologically diverse country ranging from the deserts along the eastern border. So here are deserts. Next to the tropical forests in the south, to the extensive Afro mountains in the northern and southwestern parts. It is very diverse in ecologically and even biologically. It is very diverse in both fields. Yes. So next, the Lake Tana in the north is the source of the Blue Nile. Yes. So here there's a lake in the relative north area of Ethiopia. So this is the source of the Blue Nile, one of the two Niles which split in the Khartoum, which is the capital of Sudan. So they combine. So here the Blue Nile comes here and just mixes, while the White Nile comes somewhere and finally mixes here to form the normal Nile, which goes up into Egypt and finally ends at that very long area. Yes, it has a pretty big journey. The Blue Nile has a small journey while the White Nile goes somewhere very far away. Yes. So the world's hottest settlement, which is called as Dalo, is also in its north of Ethiopia. Yes, Dalo, which is the most hottest settlement. It may be very hot there. Yes. So yeah. And also it is one of the fastest growing economies in the world. It is growing fastly in the world. Yes, and also Ethiopia was one of the only countries which was not colonized for most of its timeline. Italy colonized it for like 10 years, but again Ethiopia broke off and became its own country until now. Yes, and also before that it had a very long history. Yes, like the Kingdom of Aksum, there's many things over there. Yes, so this is for today about Ethiopia. Bye.